Having trouble seeing your connected devices in the T-Mobile app, especially those on the 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz bands? You're not alone. This is often due to a disconnect between the app and your T-Mobile router. The app struggles to synchronize with the router's data, failing to display all connected devices. This can stem from app synchronization errors or glitches within the router's firmware, particularly affecting 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz band visibility. Think of it as the app not properly asking the router for a list of who's connected. App cache corruption, firmware mismatches, VPN interference, or temporary server outages can also be the cause. Knowing this is key to applying the right fix. First, tap the refresh button in the app. It manually pulls updated data from the router. Next, try the sync option, which aligns the app's local data with what's on the router. Make sure your app is up to date via your app store. If these don't work, try force stopping the app, clearing its cache, and then restarting your T-Mobile router. As a last resort, you can try resetting the router. Also, toggling airplane mode on your device to refresh the Wi-Fi connection may help. These steps resolve the issue for most users. If the problem persists, contact T-Mobile support.